আসসালামু আলাইকুম। অনলাইন প্ল্যাটফর্মে সফল হতে চাইলে ইংলিশ স্কিল ডেভেলপমেন্টের কোনো বিকল্প নেই। তাই এই ভিডিওটি সহজ ইংরেজি দিয়ে মেক করার চেষ্টা করব। সাথে আছি আমি জামাল। I will provide the footage link in the description. Download and practice it. Upload your homework in your Google Drive and put the link in the comment section. I will review it. Open the selected footage on the project panel. Now I will remove this video background. Play it. Now go to effects. If you don't find effects here, go to Windows, tick mark the effects. After that, go to effects, right here Ultra. Drag and drop the Ultra on the footage. After that, go to effect controls. Scroll down. You will find output under the Ultra key. Then output to make it alpha channel. Then key color to click on the eyedropper. Then click on the green screen. We notice that the green screen has not removed properly. For this, we need to make the subject color white, make it proper white, and the background color black will be more black. For this, go to matte generation. Decrease the shadow as we need. You can put 40%. Increase the pedestal as we need. You can put 30%. You can also experiment transparency, highlight, and tolerance if we need. You can also apply more from matte cleanup. Choke, soften, contrast, midpoint, etc. After that, go to output to make it composite. I think it is okay. For the confirmation, we need to put a background footage under the green screen footage. For this, go to project panel. You can put a video or image under the green screen. Play it. I think it is okay. It is easy, but I will show you another that is little hard. Delete it. Drag and drop this video. Go to effect controls. Select the footage, green screen footage. Scale it as we need. You can play. Then go to effects. Put the Ultra key on the green screen footage. After that, go to effect controls. Scroll down. You will find output under the Ultra key. Then output to make it alpha channel. Then key color to click on the eyedropper. Again click on the green screen footage. We notice that the green screen has not removed properly. For this, the subject will be proper white and the background will be proper black. For this, go to matte generation. You can decrease the shadow as we need. You can put 10%. You can also increase the pedestal as we need. You can put 30%. You can also experiment more if you need. After that, output to make it composite. Play it. I think it is okay. If the video is helpful, stay with me. Thank you for watching.